Now, India's Army Chief General Upendra Dwivedi has arrived in Jammu and Kashmir. He is expected to lead a high-level security review in Srinagar. His visit comes days after 26 people were killed in a terror attack in South Kashmir's Pahalgam. Indian forces have launched a massive manhunt to track and catch the perpetrators of the attack. 3 separate gunfights are underway. The latest gun battle erupted in Bandipora district of Jammu and Kashmir on Friday. Security forces launched a cordon and search operation in the Kulnar Bazipora area following the information about the presence of terrorists in the area. According to officials, the search operation turned into an encounter after the hiding terrorists opened fire on the security personnel. Earlier, a joint team of security forces have busted out a hideout of terrorists in Thanmarg area of Kulgam. An exchange of fire took place after a cordon and search operation had been launched on Wednesday evening, based on inputs about the presence of terrorists in the area. On Thursday, a soldier of the Special Forces of the Indian Army was killed in a gun battle with terrorists following a search operation in Udhampur. Havildar J. Ali Sheikh was killed in the firing that took place in the Basantgarh area during a cordon and search operation. The house of 2 terrorists suspected to be involved in Pahalgam terror attack were destroyed in the blast. In the first incident, a blast took place during a search operation by security forces in Tral, and terrorist Asif Sheikh is suspected to be one of the local terrorists involved in Pahalgam terror attack. As per the information, during the search, some suspicious objects were observed. Security forces sensed danger and swiftly retracted for safety, but there was a huge blast in which the house got badly damaged. The house of another terrorist, Adil Thokar, also known as Adil Gori, a resident of the Bij Bihara, has been demolished. Adil had legally travelled to Pakistan in 2018, where he reportedly received terror training before returning to Jammu and Kashmir last year. Meanwhile, Pakistan has also opened fire across the line of control. Firing was reported from multiple posts across the LOC from Pakistani posts. India retaliated to that firing. Meanwhile, the entire Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir has been put on high alert. Our special correspondent Idris Sloan is tracking the story on ground. He has sent us this report from Srinagar. Listen to this.
Security forces in Jammu and Kashmir are carrying out multiple operations across the Union Territory. There's an operation that started early morning today in North Kashmir's Bandipora district, where security forces had an input about a militant hideout, after which, when they reached there was fire from the militant side, which resulted in a gun battle. Security forces believe that 2 to 3 militants are holed up at the operation site. On the other hand, the Udhampur operation is continuing on the 3rd day. Security forces on the very first day had a gun battle with the militants in that area. They had an input about 3 to 4 foreign militants, after which a gun battle started. In the initial gunfight, one Indian Army soldier was injured, who later succumbed to his injuries. There's a 3rd operation that is being carried out by security forces in the South Kashmir's Kulgam district, where this is also the 3rd day. On the first day, there was a brief gunfight between militants and security forces. Overall, 3 operations being carried out by security forces across Jammu and Kashmir. We've also seen that security forces, along with authorities, have destroyed 2 militant houses who are believed to be involved in the Pahalgam attack. One house in South Kashmir's Pulwama district and another one in South Kashmir's Anantnag district. The line of control also is brimming. We are hearing that there has been firing from the Pakistani side, which has been retaliated by the Indian Army at many posts along the line of control and international border. With video journalist Feroz, Idris Sloan for WION World is One.
For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.